What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and to another crochet braids hair tutorial. That must mean what? That my mom cornrowed my hair, okay? I'm so happy to have my river curls by Trendy Tresses. I gotta get into this, like, ugh.
It's been a very stressful past 2 months, so if you've noticed that I have any texture on my cheek, it's because I've been digging like crazy in my face and completely messed myself up. But it's evening out some now. Anyway, so basically what I'm doing here is what I normally do when I do my crochet braids. I take my crochet tool and I push it through the braid, bring the hair, the loop side of the hair, and I put it inside of the crochet tool, drag it back out, and then release the hair from the tool, and then tie it about, or I will knot it about 3 times to secure the hair. For the invisible knot method, I think that's what it's called. Is that what it's called, guys? So yeah, I bring the tool straight through the braid, the cornrow, and I put the hair into that loop of the tool, and then I'll only take one side of the hair and then put it in a knot 3 times in the knot, and then that's it. Y'all, I don't know if I'm a really good teacher or not. I try to explain it the way that I see it and the way that I do it, but the best part about this is that you can see it all being done on the video. And this is actually my favorite part of the style. I get to cut it to my liking. I like to layer the hair to frame my face, make it look as natural as possible. So the layers, a lot of times I just cut the top and then keep the ones on the bottom longer. That's pretty self-explanatory, but just cut down at an angle.
I want it to be a little shorter, just a tad bit shorter. Cut down in an angle. Don't ever cut straight across. See it? You know, just keep playing with it until you're satisfied. I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna be right back with the end results.
That's it, guys. That completes this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, share, comment, subscribe. Bye.
Subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you in my next video.